I am Sushanto Mandal, an artist and educator. I am interim program director of Bachelor of Fine Arts program. Our program established in 2021, which is positioned in the Jindal School of Liberal Arts and Humanities. This is a 4-year degree program. During these 4 years, we introduced to the students all the traditional mediums like painting, printmaking, sculpture, ceramics, and new mediums like photography, video art, editing, coding, etc. Alongside this, a strong theoretical base is also offered, where courses such as Western art, South Asian art histories, critical theories, decolonial and postcolonial theories are also included. As the BFA is integrated with liberal arts and humanities, therefore it's a great opportunity to opt for a bunch of courses from liberal arts as well. This multidisciplinary approach empowers students to view the world through a diverse perspective. Notably, all the faculty are practicing artists. Another important practice is that over the courses of 4 years, each student is required to complete at least 5 internships during their summer and winter vacations. Our university provides a wide range of opportunities for these internships. Our students intern with renowned institutions, galleries, museums such as Kiran Nadar Museum of Art in Delhi, Shrine Empire Art Gallery in Delhi, Latitude 28 in Delhi, art events like Kochi Mujuri's Biennale, Serendipity Festivals, and many more. Thank you.